In this video, I'm going to show you how to go visible on Discord. So for you to go to visible on Discord, definitely you must have turned on the visible option on Discord, and this will make you go invincible on Discord. Talking about being invisible especially means nobody is going to notice your presence. Maybe you are online, or maybe you are online, or maybe you are doing something and you don't want people to get to know that you're online or you're active. That is the reason why the invisible mode is a better option for that. But now that you no longer want the invisible mode, you just head over and click on the name icon, Discord account, and click on the invisible option or the second option under edit profile. Then once you place your mouse, then show something like this. Then just make sure you click on the line, then your invisible mode automatically turn off, which means you are now visible to other users on Discord. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow from. Thank you.